Welcome to this tutorial on how to use PayPal on Roblox. This guide will walk you through the process of using PayPal to purchase Robux, the virtual currency used on the Roblox platform. First, you need to have a PayPal account and a Roblox account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. If you don't have a Roblox account, you can create one by going to the Roblox website and following the sign-up process. To use PayPal on Roblox, start by logging into your Roblox account and clicking on the Robux tab. This will take you to the Robux purchase page, where you can select the amount of Robux you want to buy. Choose your desired amount and click on the Buy Now button. Next, you will be prompted to select your payment method. Click on the PayPal option and you will be redirected to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account and review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Once you have confirmed the payment, you will be redirected back to the Roblox website, where you will receive your Robux. You can then use these Robux to purchase items from the Roblox catalog, such as hats, shirts, and accessories for your avatar. It is essential to note that you must be at least 13 years old to use PayPal on Roblox, and you need to have a verified PayPal account to make purchases. Additionally, make sure to only use your own PayPal account and never share your login credentials with anyone. In conclusion, using PayPal on Roblox is a straightforward process that allows you to purchase Robux securely and easily. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can enjoy a safe and fun experience on the Roblox platform.